Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing into Google Merchant Center and opening Products All Products. From here, immediately filter to the items you'll remove by ID, title, or custom label. Once done, choose how you'll delete. Remove the product from the feed, pause it, or schedule deletion via the Content API. Make sure to double-check which feed or primary country you're viewing, because deleting from the wrong feed will affect live listings and shopping ads. Now select the products using checkboxes or search. You can pick one, dozens, or thousands. Next, click the three-dot menu and choose Delete for immediate removal, or choose Edit in bulk to change availability to out of stock or disapproved state. If you manage feed files, update the feed to remove SKUs and re-upload, or call the Content API delete endpoint to programmatically remove items. Make sure to monitor processing status. Finish by confirming deletions in Products All Products and check processing and diagnostics for any errors or warnings. Changes may take time. Allow up to 24 hours for removals to reflect in shopping ads and search. If an item reappears, make sure the SKU wasn't reintroduced in another active feed. If problems persist, re-upload a corrected feed or retry Content API calls using exact product ID. One tip: if you see repeated errors, review attribute requirements and fix feed formatting before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.